Have you ever wondered why a pair of Nike shoes can cost significantly more than other brands? It's a question that has intrigued many, especially when you see the price tags in stores. You see the iconic swoosh, the sleek designs, and the innovative features that make Nike shoes stand out. The brand has become synonymous with style and performance, and hear the whispers of cutting-edge technology. Nike invests heavily in research and development to bring the latest advancements to their footwear. But what justifies that hefty price tag? Is it the technology, the materials, or something else entirely? Is it just hype, or is there real value behind the brand name? Nike has built a reputation over decades, but does that reputation translate to actual worth? In this exploration, we'll dissect the anatomy of a Nike shoe, examining the factors that contribute to their premium price point. From the sole to the laces, every component plays a role. From their origins on the track to their current status as a global phenomenon, Nike has consistently pushed the boundaries of athletic footwear. The brand's history is rich with innovation and iconic moments. We'll delve into the intricate manufacturing process, uncovering the high-quality materials, advanced technologies, and meticulous craftsmanship that go into each pair. The journey from raw materials to finished product is fascinating. Each step in the process is carefully monitored to ensure the highest standards. This attention to detail is part of what sets Nike apart. We'll also compare Nike with its competitors, analyzing how it stacks up against giants like Adidas and Puma in terms of price, quality, and innovation. What makes Nike different, and is it worth the extra cost? By looking at the competition, we can better understand Nike's position in the market. Are the differences significant, or are they more about perception? Prepare to lace up as we embark on a journey to unravel the mystery behind the cost of Nike shoes. We'll explore the brand's marketing strategies, endorsements, and the cultural impact that has made Nike a household name. Get ready to discover if the price tag reflects genuine value, or if it's simply a testament to the power of branding. By the end of this journey, you'll have a deeper understanding of what goes into a pair of Nike shoes, and whether they are worth the investment. Before we dive into the specifics of manufacturing and technology, it's crucial to understand the brand's historical context. Nike's story is not just about shoes, it's about a vision, a relentless pursuit of excellence, and a brand that has become a global icon. Founded in 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports, Nike's journey began with a simple mission: to provide athletes with superior footwear. This mission was born out of a genuine passion for sports and a desire to push the boundaries of what was possible in athletic performance. The company's founders, Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight, were passionate about athletics. Bowerman, a revered track and field coach, and Knight, a visionary business student, combined their unique skills and perspectives to create something truly revolutionary. Bowerman, a track and field coach, constantly experimented with shoe designs to enhance his athletes' performance. He was known for his innovative approach, using unconventional materials and techniques to create shoes that were lighter, more durable, and more comfortable. Knight, a business student, saw the potential to market these innovative shoes to a wider audience. He understood that the right marketing strategy could turn Bowerman's designs into a commercial success, and he was determined to make it happen. The brand's pivotal moment arrived in 1971 when they officially became Nike, named after the Greek goddess of victory. This rebranding was more than just a name change. It was a declaration of their ambition to dominate the athletic footwear market. This rebranding coincided with the introduction of the now iconic swoosh logo, a symbol that would soon become synonymous with athletic excellence. Designed by a graphic design student for a mere $35, the swoosh represented the spirit of movement and speed. Nike's commitment to innovation and its strategic partnerships with renowned athletes propelled the brand to the forefront of the sporting goods industry. These partnerships were not just about endorsements, they were about collaboration and co-creation, pushing the limits of what athletes could achieve. From sponsoring legendary athletes like Michael Jordan and Serena Williams, to collaborating with fashion icons and designers, Nike transcended its athletic roots to become a cultural powerhouse. The Air Jordan line, for instance, revolutionized the sneaker industry and became a cultural phenomenon. The brand's influence extended beyond the realm of sports, permeating music, fashion, and art. Nike shoes became a staple in hip-hop culture, and the brand's collaborations with high-end designers brought it to the runways of Paris and Milan. Today, Nike is more than just a shoe company. It's a global symbol of aspiration, performance, and style. With a presence in virtually every country, Nike continues to inspire and empower athletes and non-athletes alike, proving that with the right mindset and tools, anyone can achieve greatness. The high price of Nike shoes can be attributed to a confluence of factors, with manufacturing costs and brand value playing significant roles. Unlike fast fashion footwear, Nike invests heavily in research and development, constantly seeking ways to improve the performance, comfort, and durability of its products. This commitment to innovation comes at a price, as developing new technologies and materials requires significant financial investment. The manufacturing process itself is another contributing factor. Nike operates factories worldwide, adhering to strict quality control standards and employing skilled laborers. While this ensures a high-quality product, it also increases labor costs compared to brands that prioritize low-cost manufacturing. Beyond tangible production costs, Nike's brand value plays a crucial role in its pricing strategy. The iconic swoosh logo, the association with elite athletes, and the brand's cultural cachet all contribute to a perceived value that allows Nike to command premium prices. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium for the association with success, exclusivity, and style that Nike represents. The journey of a Nike shoe from concept to completion is a fascinating blend of human craftsmanship and technological precision. Each pair of shoes represents a culmination of countless hours of work, innovation, and dedication. From the initial idea to the final product, every step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality. It all begins with design, where sketches are transformed into three-dimensional models, incorporating the latest biomechanical research and performance insights. Designers work closely with athletes and researchers to understand the specific needs and demands of the sport. This collaboration ensures that every shoe is not only stylish but also functional and performance-driven. Once the design is finalized, it's time to select the materials. This step is crucial as the choice of materials can significantly impact the shoe's performance, durability, and comfort. Nike's team of experts carefully evaluates and selects the best materials available, ensuring that each component meets the company's stringent standards. Nike utilizes a wide range of high-performance fabrics, foams, and rubbers, each chosen for its specific properties. These materials are sourced from around the world, ensuring that only the best are used in the production process. The selection process involves rigorous testing and evaluation to ensure that each material can withstand the demands of athletic performance. The manufacturing process involves a complex sequence of steps, often carried out by automated machinery and skilled workers. This combination of technology and human expertise ensures precision and efficiency at every stage. From cutting and stitching to molding and assembling, each step is carefully monitored to maintain the highest standards of quality. Cutting, stitching, molding, and assembling the various components require precision and attention to detail. Skilled workers use their expertise to ensure that each piece fits perfectly, creating a seamless and durable final product. The use of advanced machinery further enhances the accuracy and efficiency of the production process. One of the most critical stages is the creation of the shoe's sole unit, which involves fusing together different layers of foam and rubber to provide cushioning, support, and durability. This process is essential for ensuring that the shoe can withstand the rigors of athletic performance while providing maximum comfort and support to the wearer. Quality control is paramount throughout the production process. Every shoe undergoes multiple inspections and tests to ensure that it meets Nike's high standards. This includes checking for any defects, ensuring proper fit and finish, and testing the shoe's performance under various conditions. Nike employs rigorous testing methods to ensure that every shoe meets its high standards for performance, durability, and comfort. This includes subjecting the shoes to extreme conditions such as high temperatures, intense physical activity, and prolonged wear. These tests help identify any potential issues and ensure that only the best products reach the market. This meticulous approach to manufacturing, combined with the use of premium materials, contributes to the overall cost of Nike shoes. However, it also ensures that each pair of shoes offers exceptional quality, performance, and durability. By investing in the best materials and employing the most skilled workers, Nike is able to create products that meet the highest standards of excellence.